Okay, good morning student. Welcome back once. We have to see the Echinodermata, phylum 9. See what is echinodes? Echinodes means spiny. Derma means skin. Spiny skin. Spiny skin is there. We have to see the spiny means we have to their skin is there. This like is there. See this like is present on the skin. This skin is made from the calcareous ossicles. Calcareous ossicles means it is a calcium carbonate with the made of the calcium carbonate. So it is a endoskeleton. So it is a outside. It is a this like dermis spiny is present on their body. So it is a simple animal, maybe star-like or spherical. See, these animals is a simple animal, star-like animal, or is a spherical. Spherical is there. Star-like or spherical animals. Next we have to see that these animals has a triploblastic. Triploblastic is there. Triploblastic. What is triploblastic? See this like cells is there. Say endoderm, mesoderm, ectoderm. You already learned. So it is a triploblastic. Coelomate. Cavity is there. Coelomate. Next we have to see the here radially symmetry. So it is a unsegmented coelomate, unsegmented. Next we have to see the is there segment like a arthropoda and annelida? No, there is no segmentation. See, unsegmented is there. Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry. See what is radial symmetry? See, arching is there. If you cut the any plane, it will be make the two halves. It will make the two halves. We are calling the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means if you cut the any, see this like, see it will be two half will be dividing. We are calling the radial symmetry. Even stars also, we have to see the star also. Starfish, star is there, na? See here. See, if you cut the any plane, it will be two halves. See, it will be two halves, this line. Okay, this line. See, any plane, if you cut, it will make the two halves. We are calling the, here is a, which one? Symmetry is the radial symmetry. But what said? Larva has a bilateral symmetry. Which symmetry is there? Larva has a bilateral symmetry. Larva has a bilateral symmetry. See, we have to see the, these are a main important. This one. This point is a main important. See, in adult it is a radial symmetry, but in larva stage has a bilateral symmetry. See, is it clear? Now, lack the head but has oral and arbor surface. So it is a, this has a 5 radial areas called ambulacra. So it is a ambulacra is there. Next, body covered with spiny hard calcareous plates. See, body covered with body covered with hard, see, calcium carbonate, calcareous cells also called it. So it is a calcium carbonate. Plates is there, plates, and that forms the flexible exoskeleton. See, this plate is a form the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is formed. Next we have to see the body cavity modified into unique water vascular systems. See, body cavity has a vascular system. Body cavity has a vascular system. See, here is a vascular system is there, and it is a transporting the water which moves the respiratory, locomotory organs. The 2 feet also is there. See, here is a water vascular system is present in this body. See, along with the water, so many nutrition is a transporting, and respiratory gases also transporting. See, which move the respiratory and locomotory organs, the tube and feet. See, digestive system is a completely is there. Which system? Digestive system. Digestive system is a complete digestive system is present in these organisms. Anus absent in, see, anus is a absent in these organisms. Next we have to see the reproduction, sexually, asexually, or regeneration. Reproduction is there. Reproduction, asexual or sexual or regeneration. Okay, see this, like a reproduction is there. Next we have to see the exclusively marine. So it is a most of these organisms is a marine. Exclusively marine, and we have to see the free living. Some organisms is a group also. So it is a group, live in groups. Okay, see this, like organisms is present in this kingdom. Okay, this phyla, so it is a simple animal, star like or spherical like is there. Next we have to see the triploblastic, coelomate, unsegmented, radial symmetry is there. See, larva has a bilateral symmetry present in these organisms. Body covered with hard calcium carbonate plates, exoskeleton we are calling. Here is a body cavity has a water vasculary system. We have to write here water vasculatory system. Body cavity has a water vasculary system. Along with the water, they are flowing the respiratory gases and nutrient reaching to the each and every body cells. See, digestive system is a complete is there. See, reproduction, asexual, sexual, and regeneration also occurring. Exclusively these organisms is a marine, free living. See, live in groups also these organisms. Next we have to classify into the class. Okay student, see here is a Echinodermata. It's divided into 5 classes. See, first one is a Crinoidea, second one is a Holothuridia, third one is a Echinoidea, See, fourth one is a Asterodia. Next, fifth one is a Ophirodia. See, this like 5 classes is there. See, first one is a oral surface. See, first one is a oral surface. Next, we have to see the is detected upward. Is detected upward. So it is a upward is there. See, example, we have to see the antenoid. Example is a antenoid. Antenoid. Antenod is there. Example. See, their oral surface is detected upward. So it is a upward detection is there. Next, we have to see the next another one is a Holothuridia. So it is a worm-like body without arms and spines. See, their body is a worm-like is there. Worm-like body, and it is a without arms and spines. Without arms and spines. Without arms and spines. It is a mouth surrounded by tentacles is there. It is a mouth surrounded by tentacles. Tentacles is there. Tentacles is present. Mouth surrounded by tentacles. Example is a sea cucumber. So it is a best example is a sea cucumber. Next, Echinoidea, spherical, lacking arms. See, this organisms is a spherical is there. Spherical and lacking arms. Arms is a lacking is there. See, lack of arms. And endoskeleton is there. Endoskeleton. It is made from calcium carbonate. And spines movable. Spines also is there. Movable spines also present. Best example is a sea urchin. Sea urchin. Next, we have to see the Asteroidea. See, this is a flattened and pentagonal. Flattened and pentagonal. Flattened organisms is there and pentagonal. See these organisms. Now we have to see the example. See, are pentagonal or star like their body. Next, with flexible endoskeleton. Flexible endoskeleton. Flexible is there and endoskeleton also. It is a best example is a starfish. See, asteroids are like body, it is flat and compressed. See, flat and compressed. Compressed body is there. Next, of long arms. And here is a, see, disc like shape is there. See, Ophidoderma. See here, these organisms is, it is divided into 5 classes.